Hey Ewans, welcome back to my channel. It's Winnie BLV, Mouth of the South. No intro, no outro. It's just this hoe. Today, as promised for the last month or so, I have Fendi. That's right, a Fendi unboxing, just a regular Fendi item, and then a Fendace. Fendace? Fendace. That's it. I am kind of on the fence about the Fendace item, so I still am kind of leaning towards, I don't really need that, but we're going to look at it, and then we're going to make a decision, an informed decision. But first, this item I have had for a minute. I ordered this pre-loved, but I just really wanted these, and I got like $100 off retail rather than going on the Fendi site, which these are available on the Fendi site. They are earrings, by the way. But this came with it. The little gal sent me this too, which I thought was cool. Now I have like 3 Fendi dust bags. What? Rarely any Fendi, barely any Fendi items, but hey, we're gonna work on that. Don't tell my husband. Okay, so it comes in a nice little magnetic little, I guess this is their jewelry box, guys. I've never had any Fendi jewelry, so I'm a jewelry Fendi virgin. That's the only kind of virgin I am. Y'all know me. Okay. Well, they're in this little slot, which I assume that's where they would go. Get in your slot! I've said that so many Friday nights. Okay. I do like this little box. That's cute. I mean, it's kind of overkill. Like, wow. They're not that big, guys. Doesn't everybody want to put their stuff in a great big package? Hello? Okay. These are the Fendi hoop earrings. I guess I have them right. So remember how I bought the Louis Vuitton, well, I got them for Christmas from Bill, the Louis Vuitton Louise small earrings. These are almost the same. I should compare these in another video. I probably will. But hopefully, let me just do one. That's what she said. And see if you guys can see. They're pretty cute. I like them. So yeah, they got the F's. Now they're both like a gold brassy color. They're the yellow. They're not, you know, one. I know that Yota has one that's silver, but she has the great big ones. And then she has one that's gold, but these are both in the gold color because it's really costume jewelry, so, you know, but that lady was really nice that sold them to me, so I am I'm going to enjoy these. I started to say, I'm enjoying the hell out of these, but she hasn't enjoyed anything, but I do still enjoy my ideal jewelry. I'll keep linking them below. Guys, I haven't taken it off since I did that video. What was it, 2-3 weeks ago? Oh my God, look how great they still look. But anyway, all right, on to the Fendace. So I didn't get this little card. Hit myself in the head there. In there, which says Fendace, but I noticed some people did get Fendace bags, but I did check the box that said, do you want a bag with this? And I was like, hell yeah, give me all the packaging, bitch. You know us. Okay. I have a story about packaging at the end of the video. You know where I do a little story? I have one for you. So stick around, bitch. Okay, so I did get the regular little bag, which is fine. Came with a little envelope. It did have the Fendace ribbon around it, so that's a good thing. But yeah, I'm thinking there are actual Fendace bags, but she did not get one. I don't know what's going on over there. And it took forever to get here. Okay, so I did get the dust bag, which has the Fendace on it, which I kind of like the dust bag almost as much as what I picked out. I'm already like poo-pooing the idea, right? So, I don't know, guys. What do you think it is? It's just the cosmetic pouch, the small one. which was still a pretty penny for a cosmetic pouch. But of course, you know me, I was like, not today. We're carrying that as a bag. But, and it's soft, it's like nylon, so it's, you know, wipeable and all that good stuff, which I think is very cute. It's got the little holes right here, guys. That's why I was thinking, like, voila, I'll just have a new Fendi bag for less than 700 bucks, right? Which is still, to me, a lot of money on a bag or a pouch. So that's why I'm kind of like, eh. But it does have the, this is cool. It has the Fendace, like the F's for Fendi, and then it has the little Medusa head on the zipper, which is a nice touch. And then it's got like the Baroque all over the, you know, the Versace sort of whatever they do on their thing, whatever they be doing. And then it's got underneath, you can just see the F's, right? So let's do the autumn spin on this one. Ready? I like it. I think it's cute, but will she wear this? I don't know. For that kind of money, I just feel like I could get, here's my real thinking on it, if I'm being dead honest. I could, for less money, get the one that has just the F's all over it, and I kind of think I would like that better. Or a little card holder that I could turn into a crossbody for even less. So that's where my mind is going on this. So I don't know if you're going to see this behind me or on Instagram or with me for much longer, because I think I'm going to, yeah. But wait, I have to show you guys something. Ta-da! Remember 3 years ago or more, give or take, Amazon used to sell, you know, I won't say the word, but the F word items that look just like the item, but they weren't as much, so they're not really the item. But I bought this way back when. On Amazon, girl. I did. I bought this on Amazon. And I never had a Fendi bag to put it on, but wait just a damn minute. This changes everything, or does it? It really doesn't. Well, it's kind of hard. I don't want to push it too hard. That's what she said I can, because I am sending this back. And look, it doesn't even work. She's not getting in there. Oh, story of my life. No, wait, here she goes. Is she in? Oh, yes! She's in, but it's not a good, I don't know. What do we think? Because this is all different, like Zucca or whatever. Oh, yeah. You can tell this is not a real Fendi strap, because she lacks in the give department. She's not giving what she needs to be giving, guys. Oh, I thought this was going to work perfectly. But it doesn't. It's not going on there very well. Okay, yet another reason that she must, she must go back. But let's see. No, I just don't love it, guys. I just don't. I'm not. You can tell when I unboxed it. I was like, yeah, Fendace item, yay. I feel like I'm more into, now I would love to have a Versace, the little, they make a little micro Medusa head, you know, bag or whatever. I would love to have one of those. I think they're like $1,100 or $1,200. They're a lot. Or I would either like to have that, or of course the Fendi Sunshine Tote. Or something with the classic like Fendi emblazoned here, or the Zucca print all over. Not so much the marriage of the two together, you know what I mean? So it's cute. It's cute. But it's not that cute. You're cute, but you're not that damn cute. How many times have we said that to our kids? All right, so I think I've decided I'm not going to keep this. Whatever I return it for, if I get something else, of course, you guys will be the first to know. I'll unbox it right here on this channel. I hope you guys have a great rest of your weekend. I mean, that was like anticlimactic, right? It was just, oh, Fendace. Yeah. Okay, sorry guys. Oh, scent of the day. I didn't even think ahead enough to bring my scent of the day in here, but it's actually that Chanel Noir that I bought, the Coco Noir that I bought to replace the fake one that I got. If you haven't seen that, I'll try to float that video above somewhere, above my head somewhere, and you guys can go check that out. But yeah, that's what I have on today. I am still carrying, I thought I was going to get out of the little ruby bag, but I'm not yet. I'm still into her. Is she here? Where are you, girl? No, she's downstairs. All right, guys. Hey, listen, do me a favor. If you guys see my husband, please don't tell him nothing. Bye. So here's my story about packaging. I gave my daughter a pretty nice item the other day. Okay, I gifted her an item that I had and I was no longer using, so I was like, hey, here. Of course, it was in all the original packaging and stuff. What am I, a savage? And she politely takes it out, gets the item, and throws away all the packaging. I was like, oh. I said, Maddie, did you just throw that packaging? She goes, yeah, it's trash. I was like, ooh. While I know it is, how did you do that? Well, please teach me. I was like, it's a teachable moment because I got packaging on everything I've ever owned, bought, cared for, luxury or otherwise. I've got the box, the bag, the tissue, and it. Who is she? She takes after her dad apparently because I can't do it. But man, I wish I could. I wish I had her chutzpah or whatever. Guys, some people throw away their packaging. What? Be